So good evening, my dear students. So let's begin today's session with some programming. Yesterday I told you that today I'll show you this program, stack program, and I'll run you. You will see the output how it is coming. Okay. Yesterday, whatever we are, how many function we have implemented, the same function we will see today and how it implemented, how it run. Okay. So let's go. This is the in your screen. You can see that this is the program on your screen. Use empty method I have taken, then push method, pop method, okay, peek method, then display, then this is the main program on your screen. You can see whatever the program we have done yesterday, the same program is here or not. You can check it. Okay, you can check it here. So first is empty method is defining for is there if the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, it will be returned true. If the stack is not empty, it will be returned false. It is the work of is empty method. Done. Then push method, what it will do, it will be insert one item to the stack. It will be append, same thing. Okay, it will insert one item to the stack. Then the top should be always length of the stack, whatever the stack length we have taken, -1. It is the referring to the top. Then pop method will be do the deletion, removal of the operation, deletion operation in the pop method. Okay. Then when the stack will be empty, if we again use the pop method, then what it will be show? Underflow. Clear? Then in pick method, we'll see, will verify, inspect. Okay, the stack. Then in the display method, we'll see all the things. Clear, everyone? You can see. Okay, display. If the stack is empty, then print stack is empty. Else top equal to length of the stack, whatever, -1. It is always refers to that. Then print stack of top. Okay, whatever the stack of top they will print, and they will be write down the top like this. It is the top they will be refer. Then in the loop, so up to which it will be go, top -1. Whatever the top will be referred to, what is the length of the top, -1. Then uh, end will be in the -1 position, it will be end, and every time it will be decremented -1. Then print stack of A, or whatever, means whatever they have content in the list, they will be show all the things. Then they have taken the main method. You can see this is the main method on your screen. Whatever we have taken, you can see the stack operation. In the first choice will push, second choice pop, third is peak, fourth one is display the stack, fifth one is exit. So you take one character, enter your choice 1 to 5. If you enter 1, it will the item will be inputted stack. Okay, push operation. If you input 2, pop operation. 3, pick operation. 4, display the stack. 5, exit the stack. If is there any other you will use, then it will be invalid choice. So let's go for the output. Enter your choice. Okay. Suppose I click 1 and enter. Enter the item. Already we have seen that in the 1 we have to push some item. Suppose I write 23. Okay. Now we'll 4. Display the stack. You can see. Previously I have inserted 12 that is present in the stack. Then 23 you can see here. You can see 23 here. Okay. 23, 12. You can see. I am marking here. Okay, clear? Then, suppose another item I want to push. Again, we'll click one, enter the item, suppose 34. Okay, clear? Then, again, we'll go for the pop operation. So now, before going to pop operation, first we'll see which one is the top. Okay, it will follow the LIFO sequence or not. So let's see 4. So 34 on the top. So if we use the 2, okay, you can see popped item is 34. They have shown or not? Clearly, you can see here. The popped item is 34. That means the item that is inserted in the last, it will be deleted from the first LIFO sequence. Clear? Then we will come to suppose 3 now. Pick. Okay. Topmost item is 23. Now in the what is the top item in the stack? In the pick operation will show that. Okay. So I think everyone clear about that. So now we'll see the underflow and overflow, only underflow operation, because there is no overflow, because why the size is not fixed here. If the size is fixed and we are means giving the element out of the size, means what, suppose we have taken 4, means our capacity is 4 and we are inserting the fifth number element, then at the time overflow error is coming. But here we are not fixing the size, it is dynamic. So that's why only underflow operation. If there is no value or no element in the stack, we want to insert something, then at the time it will be sorry. If there is no element in the stack and we want to pop delete something, then it will show underflow error. Let's see that. So there is two element now, 23 and 12. Let's pop it out. Popped item 23. Okay, popped item is known because if you can see here, display the stack. Stack is empty. Yes or no? Now the stack is empty. So if you want to pop something, then what it will be showing? Underflow stack is empty. Is everyone look at it? Because there is no element in the stack and you are deleting something. So I hope everyone clear about the programming, how it will be implemented, how the stack is implemented beautifully in the Python programming language. So if in the program any type of programming came to implement something in the stack through the help of Python programming, you can use this function by push, pop, pick, display is empty and finish that.